What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be filming a video on the probably top 5 that I don't like about my 95 Mazda Miata. Number 1 would have to be the same complaint everybody else has. Cup holders. So you got your water bottle, right? Or your drink of choice. Ignore this mess. So you got your drink in there, right? You're going through the twisties, and you take a corner pretty tight, and then boom, gone, right? It's just like that. That's all it needs, right? They're not deep, and they don't really hold anything that well. And if it's any bigger than like a water bottle or a regular soda can, you know, you better goddamn hope it has a screw-on lid, because there's nowhere else to put it. Although, I will say, this little boy back here, pretty dandy sometimes. Pretty handy dandy. So yeah, that's number 1. Next on the list, number 2. This is one that I don't really hear a lot, because I know a lot of these videos have been made. This is probably one of my biggest issues with the car, as far as just ease goes. Where you filled the gas tank at. So normal cars, you'll get it on the side there, right? It's easy, you just put it in, you take it out. But see, on the Miata, it's on the top of the car. So when you go and take that nozzle out, you know, you gotta like hover the cap underneath the nozzle when you take it over. Otherwise, you know, you're gonna spill a bunch of gas on your car. And, you know, gotta care about your paint. So that's number 2. Number 3. This is where it gets kind of tricky, because I know a lot of people, you know, will say the same thing. It's hard to find things about this car that, you know, we have problems with. Because, let's be honest, this car's a masterpiece. Anyways, number 3 would have to be part of the community around it. And what I mean by that is, a lot of people that own these, we generally fit an overall average kind of personality, look. We're all very similar people. E-boys, e-girls, we out here. But most people, in my opinion, this is a problem. They aren't willing to go outside of the norm with these. It's all the same stuff every year. Nobody really pushes a new look into these cars, and I feel like it hinders how actually far, even though these have come very far for what they are, how far these cars can actually go. So I guess a better way to sum down what I just said is, we all need to be a little more original with how we build these and stop being lazy. Shots fired. Number 4 would have to be another physical attribute of the car, and that would be the top pieces of the trim on the doors. Let's talk about it. Pretty much every Miata I've been in with an interior has the same issue. I can literally take mine off if I wanted to. But this one's actually pretty secure, surprisingly. But I know the tabs or screws, whatever, always break on all of these. And it's one of the most annoying things, honestly. Because I've had times where I'll shut my door, I'll be quick to run into my car, like run in my car and shut the door, and it'll just fly right off. To have a number 5 would be very difficult. And all the other Miata owners will say that as far as NA goes. Because at this point, even with the last 2, it's a little bit nitpicky. And if you've owned one, you understand. Because like I just said before, there is not much wrong with these cars. But if I had to say one more thing that I did not like about my NA Miata is that it kind of goes with number 3, because they don't get enough, I guess, respect in the car community for what they are as a car. Like, 95-year-old car, I bought this for $2,000. I've gotten more than my money's worth with this car already in less than 2 years. So I guess what I'm saying is, you know, don't look at them as just another shit box that you can purchase for $500 off of your buddy, because it doesn't run. Like, I bought this and it was amazing the first, like, year I owned it. I mean, almost directly after I bought it, yeah, a coolant hose went, but what, that's $15 for the hose, easy install by yourself. The next day, I drove up north. I drove maybe like 300-400 miles and no issues. These are so reliable if you take care of them. So, you get what I'm saying. So I hope you guys liked this quick video on the top 5 things I don't like about my Mazda Miata. I'm thinking about making top 5 things, or even top 10 things I like about my NA Miata. So if you'd like to see that video, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out. See you next time.